Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I think that you are well and enjoying watching my videos at home. Today I have come back with another educational video. So friends, are you ready to learn this? So let's start. Good morning students. Good morning sir. Today I will teach you a new lesson, that is possessive nouns. In this class I will explain about possessive nouns, usage in forming possessive nouns. So students, are you ready to learn this? Yes sir. So let's start. At first you will learn, what is possessive nouns? Possessive nouns show ownership. We add apostrophe s to the end of a noun to show ownership. Example, this notebook is John's. It belongs to John's. So students, you have learned about it. Now move to the main part. Okay sir, possessive nouns, usage. Possessive nouns can be used. 1. To show possession. Examples, Darren's laptop, Mary's room. 2. To show relationship. Examples, brother's friends, mother's cousin. 3. To show authorship. Examples, Tagger's songs, Shakespeare's plays. 4. When inanimate objects are personified. Examples, the nation's resources, the moon's gentle light. 5. To show the duration of time taken to complete something. Examples, a month's vacation, a week's delay. 6. Before the word worth. Examples, a rupee's worth of peanuts, 50 rupees worth of spices. So students, you have knew the usage, and now you have to learn how to form possessive nouns. Okay sir, forming possessive nouns. 1. If the noun is singular, we add apostrophe s to the end of the noun to show possession. Examples, dog's bone, Tina's dress. 2. If a proper noun ends in s, we can show possession either by adding apostrophe s or just the apostrophe. Examples, Tessa's ring, Charles' aunt, Hastings' room. 3. When a plural noun ends in s, we only add an apostrophe at the end of the word. Examples, dog's collar, tractor's engines. 4. If a plural noun doesn't end in s, we add apostrophe s to the end of the word to show possession. Examples, women's club, men's team, workers' reunion. 5. For compound words, we add apostrophe s only to the last word to show possession. Examples, father-in-law's cars, commanders-in-chief's batons. 6. If 2 or more people own the same thing, we add apostrophe s only to the name of the last person. Examples, Carol and Sarah's flat, Jen and Philip's teacher. 7. If the possessions are owned separately, we add apostrophe s to the names of each person. Examples, Tia's and Parveen's school projects, Fred's and Tom's report card. Watch out, remember this. Traditionally, possessive nouns are only used for living things. The watch's strap. Incorrect. The strap of the watch. Corset. So students, my today's class is over. Have you understood the lesson properly? Yes sir. Goodbye students. Goodbye sir. So friends, today I am ending my video here. If you haven't liked the video, then give a like, comment, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification when new videos are uploaded. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye friends. Stay well and stay healthy. Stay home and stay safe. Have a nice day. See you again.
With